Hello students, now in this lecture we see some examples of series and discuss their behavior. So question will be, state the behavior of the following series. That means we have to tell whether the series is convergent or divergent. So first series is series 1 upon 3 raised to n. Now 1 upon 3 raised to n, this series is 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 square plus 1 upon 3 cube plus dash dash. Now you can see here this is geometric series and the common ratio is 1 upon 3. First term is 1 upon 3, second is 1 upon 3 square, third is 1 upon 3 cube and so on. So this is geometric series and common ratio is 1 upon 3. Since common ratio is less than 1, this series is convergent series. We have studied geometric series. At that time we have seen that if the common ratio r is less than 1, then only geometric series is convergent series. Therefore this is convergent series. Next series is 1 plus 1 half plus 1 upon 2 square plus 1 upon 2 cube. Now this is also geometric series and common ratio is 1 half, and this 1 half is also less than 1. Therefore this is also convergent series. Next summation 2 raised to n. So 2 raised to n, this is also geometric series with common ratio 2, but 2 is greater than 1. Therefore when common ratio r is greater than 1, that geometric series r raised to n is divergent. Therefore this is divergent series. Next is series 5 upon 4 bracket raised to n. Now this is also geometric series and common ratio is 5 upon 4. 5 upon 4 is greater than 1. Therefore this geometric series is divergent series. Next is summation 3 by 2 bracket raised to n. This is also geometric series. Common ratio is 3 by 2 and 3 by 2 is greater than 1. Therefore series is divergent. Next is series 1 upon n raised to 3 by 2. Now this is p series 1 upon n raised to p, and here p is equal to 3 by 2 and 3 by 2 is greater than 1. Therefore when p is greater than 1, then p series is convergent. Therefore this series is convergent. Next is 1 upon root n. 1 upon root n means 1 upon n raised to 1 half. So 1 upon n raised to 1 half, this series is also p series, and here p is equal to 1 half. 1 half is less than 1. Therefore p series, when p is less than 1 and equal to 1, it is divergent. Therefore this is also divergent series. Next is 1 upon n, series 1 upon n. This is also p series. Here p is equal to 1, n raised to 1. Therefore p is equal to 1. So for p is equal to 1, p series is divergent. Therefore this is a divergent series. Next is series 1 upon n square. This is p series with p is equal to 2 and 2 is greater than 1. Therefore it is convergent series. Next is 1 upon cube root of n square. cube root of n square means n raised to 2 by 3. So 1 upon n raised to 2 by 3, this is p series, and p is equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is less than 1, therefore series is divergent series. Next, 1 upon n cube. This is p series with p is equal to 3. 3 is greater than 1, therefore this series is convergent series. Next, 1 upon cube root of n. This means 1 upon n raised to 1 upon 3. So this is also p series, and p is equal to 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3 is less than 1, therefore series is divergent. In this way, for each series we can say by observation or by inspection whether the series is p series or geometric series, and then we can say about its behavior. Now next question is, discuss the convergence of the series. So series is 1 upon factorial n. Here un is equal to 1 upon factorial n. Now 1 upon factorial n means 1 upon 1 into 2 into 3 into dash dash n, product of first n numbers, means n factorial. Now here we know that 3 is greater than 2, therefore 1 upon 3 is less than 1 upon 2. Similarly, 1 upon 4 is less than 1 upon 2. 1 upon 5 is less than 1 upon 2, and so on. 1 upon n is less than 1 upon 2. So in this product factorial, if we substitute each integer from 3 to 3, 4, 5 dash dash up to n by 2, then since 1 upon 3 is less than 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4 is less than 1 upon 2, so we can write this 1 upon n factorial is less than 1 upon, we substitute for 3, 4, 5 dash dash n by 2. Therefore this will be less than 1 upon 1 into 2 into 2 into up to n minus 1 terms. Therefore this un is less than 1 upon 2 raised to n minus 1. Suppose Vn is equal to 1 upon 2 raised to n minus 1. Therefore un is less than Vn, and this Vn is summation 1 upon 2 raised to n minus 1. This is 1 plus 1 half square plus 1 half cube plus dash dash 1 half raised to n minus 1, and this is geometric series with common ratio 1 half. 1 half is less than 1, therefore geometric series is convergent when the common ratio is less than 1. Therefore series 1 upon 2 raised to n minus 1 is convergent, and since un is less than Vn, by comparison test of first type, our series un is also convergent series. Let us see another example. Summation 1 upon 2n square plus 3n plus 2. Now this 1 upon 2n square plus 3n plus 2, this is un, and the denominator 2n square plus 3n plus 2 is greater than n square. So 1 upon 2n square plus 3n plus 2 will be less than 1 upon n square. Suppose 1 upon n square is equal to Vn. Therefore this 1 upon n square series 1 upon n square is p series. P is equal to 2 and 2 is greater than 1. Therefore this p series is convergent series, and since un is less than Vn, Vn is convergent, therefore by comparison test series un is also convergent. In this way, we can use comparison test to say about behavior of the given series. So we stop here.